Most people believe wealth is something you earn, chase, or eventually get lucky enough to receive. But that belief alone quietly keeps them stuck. Wealth does not begin with money, it begins with thinking, and not positive thinking, wishful thinking, or motivational thinking, but a specific way of thinking that naturally produces wealth as an outcome. This lesson is about understanding that difference, because once you see it clearly, you stop fighting money and start working with it. A way of thinking is not the same as a belief. Beliefs can be inherited, emotional, or unconscious. A way of thinking is a pattern. It's how you interpret situations, how you make decisions, what you focus on, and how you respond to opportunities. Two people can have the same skills, the same resources, and the same opportunities, yet experience completely different financial results simply because they are thinking differently. Scarcity thinking focuses on limitation. It asks, what if this doesn't work? Or what if I lose what I have? Wealth-oriented thinking asks a different question. What is the most constructive action I can take from where I am right now? That shift alone changes everything. One mindset protects what exists, the other creates what doesn't yet exist. Wealth thinking is creative, not competitive. It doesn't require comparison. It doesn't need permission. It doesn't wait for perfect conditions. It operates from the assumption that more can be created, and that your role is to align your thinking and actions with that creation. This doesn't mean reckless optimism. It means intentional clarity. Here's the important part. Thinking precedes action, and action precedes results. If you don't like your results, you don't start by forcing different actions. You start by examining the thinking that led to those actions in the first place. This is why so many people work harder but don't move forward. Their effort is filtered through a mindset that's still rooted in fear, survival, or reaction. Wealth-oriented thinking is calm. It's not rushed. It doesn't panic when results don't show up immediately. It understands that results lag behind decisions, and decisions lag behind thinking. This kind of thinking creates consistency, not bursts of motivation followed by burnout. In this course, we are not trying to be positive about money. We are training your mind to think in ways that naturally support clarity, certainty, and aligned action. That's why this lesson comes first. Before strategy, before habits, before focus, you must understand that wealth is not something outside of you. It's something that responds to how you think and operate. Today, the only thing you need to do is begin noticing. Notice how you talk to yourself about money. Notice how you interpret financial decisions. Notice where fear enters the conversation. Awareness alone begins the shift. You are not here to force change. You are here to understand it. And once you understand it, change becomes inevitable.